Welcome to NYC Desi guys. Today I decided to make this video because I noticed that most of us go to the store and use the store touchpad to pay our groceries or any item we shop through the credit card. So I decided if we add our card to the iPhone wallet and use the iPhone wallet to pay the store purchases, we wouldn't be contaminating each other. Now to add that, you can click on wallet and then click on the plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, hit continue and then choose, because I already have two cards added there, I'm going to choose add a different card. If you don't have a card there, you can hit continue and it should give you the option to add. So click on add card and now it's going to scan my card. So hold the phone and there you go, it scanned my card. It has all the information it needed. It has the number. Make sure your name is correct and hit next, and it's going to ask you for the security code for the card. The security code is located behind your card, so add that, hit next. It's going to ask you to go through the terms and condition, go down and hit agree. It takes a time because what it does right now, it's going connecting to the bank, making sure it's your card. Sometimes it sends you a verification to your phone or email, so I choose send the verification to my test verification to my phone, hit next, and I would get the verification code right there in a couple of minutes. It is 848237, I think. I'm gonna add that. And then that's it, your card is added. And if you can add this card as a default card. If you want to add more card, you can add more card, but I'm going to choose use as default card. Hit this and now your card is added. Now once I go to store, all I have to do is double tap on this side like this. That should give me the option for my credit card. I can use my Face ID or use my passcode to pay, and just show this Apple iPhone on that the touchpad, because it has a sensor. It scans your card through this. You're not touching the the touchpad or adding any numbers there, and then boom, you're paid and you walk off from the store. No contamination. It's easy, it's nice. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye. Now once the whole situation is over, you think you don't want to have your card on the wallet, what you can do is you can remove the card by going back in the wallet again. Now you are in the wallet, you click on the card, you click on the card where you want to remove, you go all the you click on the minus sign, those three dots, you go all the way down, and here is the remove section to remove the card, and then you can remove the card. So some people are not they don't want to store their card on their iPhone because they think it's a security reason, or they're not comfortable. So for time being, store your card, let the card be charged through the wallet. We all are safe, no contamination happen. Once we are out of this situation, you can always come back again. To come back, I showed you, go back to card section, click on those three dots on the right hand side. Once you click on the three dots, go all the way down and then hit remove this card. Boom, your card is removed. Thank you for watching. Bye.